Good day. We are the Group 2, and in this topic, we are going to present our one big concept. The problem that we identified in CCSICT department based on our empathetic understanding is there are students who do not have their own personal computers. Well, this is such a burden for these students knowing that their course requires them to use computers. So this is how we came up with our problem statement. How can we help the ISU students who do not have their own personal computers complete their schoolworks?
Based on the interview that we did with our persona, his primary needs are a computer that can access the internet and has licensed software for programming that is installed in it. Considering this, the idea or the one big concept that we came up with is to establish a computer shop in CCS ICT department which is available and accessible for every student who is in need of computers for their schoolworks.
This computer shop will be located on the second floor of CCS ICT building. In this computer shop, there will be 5 functioning and high-quality Acer Aspire TC1750i for office, a monitor, and desktop bundle. And for the specs, operating system was Windows 11 Home SL. Processor model was Intel Core i5 12400 series. Standard memory 8 GB up to 32 GB maximum. Memory technology used was DDR4 SDRAM. Storage was 256 SSD plus 1 TB HDD. Display and graphics card was NVIDIA GeForce GT 730 with 2 GB of DDR3. Those features can easily handle virtual reality and can serve as powerful workstation as well as on maximum setting. And it can perform well with stuff like video rendering, image editing, and programming, perfect for school.
This idea addresses the persona's needs since internet access will be available in licensed software for programming will be installed in the computer units. Also, there will be printers and setup machines in this computer shop. These are for other school projects that require those to be printed or photocopied.
When it comes to improvement, our concept has a huge impact on improving the learning of our users in many ways, such as better performance tasks and compliance to paperworks. It would also boost their will to do schoolworks as we operate anytime during school days. Our concept serves as an aid to the burdening thoughts of not having their own PC and not being able to finish their activities which can only be done using software that is installed in laptop or a computer.
The moment we come up with our one big concept, we see to it that all the persona's needs are to be met and fulfilled. We narrowed down our proposed solutions until we conceptualize a principal idea that is not just beneficial to our persona, but is also feasible, desirable, and sustainable. First, how can this concept be feasible? It is possible to establish this idea since many students rely on borrowing other students' PCs or do not have their own personal computers. This can be done in just a year. To be able to bring it to life, we are thinking of partnering with the student body organization of the CCSICT department in making this project.
Another, how can this idea be desirable? We discovered that many students in the CCSICT department do not own personal computers. So those students would be the ones to benefit from our proposed invention. Having a computer in the department would enable them to easily access their projects and assist them in completing their assessments, tasks, and projects. Also, it is approachable. Our one large concept is simple to utilize. The computer shop is open during school hours, and students can use them during their free time. There will be an attendant to assist users if they have questions about the computer or software that they will be using.
Lastly, will this idea be able to be maintained? Absolutely. As long as there are students who do not own laptops and in need of a computer that can access the internet and has useful software that they can use for their school, we'll keep this concept alive for a while.
This idea will definitely help not only the user, but everyone who is lacking in resources such as computers to do their schoolwork sufficiently. Suppose that this idea came into life, they won't have to worry now about the lack of technical equipment as we offer them the CCS ICT computer shop. We will happily be more efficient to develop extra innovation as long as we are assisting our co students with their education.